Infinity Weddings.
Infinity Wedding. Infinity Wedding. Infinity Wedding.
यार ये तो super amazing.
Infinity Weddings to me is Sahaj.
It was a great experience. AI technology that you are using so that we can get the photos instantaneously is pretty good.
You are not just a vendor or somebody we hired. You're a part of our family.
We are enjoying ourselves and our pictures अपने आप click होती रहती है. That's the best
जो
part.
सोचा सी same as it is and उस तो भी better.
प्रॉब्लम है, हाँ जी ये है, आप उसी टाइम आके सेट कर देते हो.
I really liked the work and said you're too amazing. मुझे इतना पता है कि Sahaj is a family member to us.
I felt like for everyone else, right? They knew which portrait and stuff I would love to do. So I think that's the customizable and personalization that these guys offer that we should definitely recommend them.
Photos, videos, super amazing. I love them. Everybody loves them. Pre-wedding A1, photoshoot A1. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ behavior ਸਭ ਦਾ A++++.
Whatever I wanted, वो सब मिल गया. ठीक है? It was just a call away. Even at the night, 3 o'clock, in the morning you have to send a team. It was like very quick and on the toes.
ਟੀਮ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਟੀਮ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੈ, ਮਤਲਬ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਸ ਮਾਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਬਾਕੀ ਫੋਟੋ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਆਈ ਹੈ.
If I would compare whole of the thing in 5 years, I would say that faster delivery, easier selection process, and you guys have that incredible and professional and effortless crew.
Still remember when I went to Sahaj, he was too young, and I went to him and I was like, Sahaj, I love your work and I've seen your candid pictures. Can you please come on my engagement? And we used to have one family photographer, which has been replaced now. So he clicked such beautiful pictures that we replaced on my wedding, and Sahaj has captured beautiful memories. You should watch my wedding highlights as well. But beautiful work. They deliver you everything within 40 days, and everything is top-notch quality. So Infinity Weddings, all the best, and you guys are doing really great job.
You guys are amazing. Just keep doing what you guys are doing. And I'm so glad that we hired you for our pre-wedding because you create a beautiful memories for us. You did a phenomenal work. And for the Stefan thing too, his pre-wedding shoot was so good. It was so amazing. Everything was so good. Thank you so much.
Infinity Weddings, I would say all the team were perfect. The perfect means perfect. They were like doing everything according to me. How I wanted, how the entry should be there, how everything should be coordinated. अगर मैं smile भी नहीं करूँ ना, मैम smile. Everything was so perfect, and I am so satisfied with the team, with the photographs, with the videos.
We started with engagement ceremony 1 year back, and we loved his work so much.
Another thing is you guys are approachable. If you have some issues or if you have some concerns, we tell you and you like instantaneously look into those and like portray the vision that we wanted. So that is very
ਇਹਨਾਂ
good.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਚੀਜ਼ ਪਤਾ ਕੀ ਆ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ ਕਹਿ ਦੋ, ਇੱਕ ਮੋਰੇ ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਡਰਾਮਾ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਹੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦਾ, ਮੋਰੇ ਕੰਪਲੇਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ, ਦੇਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਆ. ਮਤਲਬ ਨੋ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕੋਲ.
ਬਿਲਕੁਲ.
ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਵੱਡੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ.
सब तो बड़ी चीज है.
जो भी मैंने शॉर्ट्स देखे, it was very beautifully captured moments. जो memories हमारे साथ रहेंगी, वो बहुत अच्छे थे.
I can truly and surely vouch for you and for your team, and guys, trust me, if you really want someone to capture your moments and make your day the best, the perfect day for you, go for him and his team. He is the best. Wishing you all the success for your life and all the goodness, and I'm so proud of you.
Whatever problems you have, whatever changes you want in the photos and all, Sahaj is always available.
Frankly speaking ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਸ਼ਾਇਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋਰ ਕੋਈ ਕੋਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਈ, ਐਂਡ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਮੇਰੇ ਗਟ ਫੀਲਿੰਗ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਕੰਮ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ, 130 to 150% ਮੈਨੂੰ ਆਊਟਪੁੱਟ ਮਿਲੀ. ਨਾਓ ਆਈ ਕੇਮ ਬੈਕ ਅਗੇਨ ਫॉर ਮਾਈ ਯੰਗਰ ਬ੍ਰਦਰਸ ਵੈਡਿੰਗ.
ਉਹ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਕਿ ਇੰਨਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਕੰਮ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਏ ਹਾਂ.
I still remember him shooting my sister's wedding. We were so chill. मतलब कोई botheration ही नहीं थी हमें, and I know the teammates, everybody is so cooperating and so loving. They just make every picture speaks louder.
And every day ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰੀਲਸ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ.
ਦੈਟਸ ਸੋ ਬਿਗ ਡੀਲ ਯਾਰ.
ਭਾਈ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੈਂ ਸੋਚਿਆ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਦਾਂ ਮਿਲੂਗਾ, ਬਟ ਜੋ ਟਾਈਮ ਟੂ ਟਾਈਮ ਮਿਲ ਰਿਹਾ, ਸਾਰੇ ਲੋਕੀ ਇਵਨ ਸ਼ਾਰਟ ਜੋ ਰਿਲੇਟਿਵਸ ਕਿ ਭਾਈ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਨਾਲ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ.
ਸਵੇਰੇ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ 2 ਘੰਟੇ ਬਾਅਦ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਉਹਦਾ ਇਨਸਟੈਂਟ ਰੀਲ ਮਿਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ.
ਇੰਸਟੈਂਟ ਜੋ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨਾ, ਬੈਸਟ.
मतलब you have put on your efforts. वो बहुत दिल से, like you were like too much into the work. It was not just like कि करना है, like it's like profession. They have hired us, we have to do it. No, but you were like we have to give our best so that they remember us forever.